Hi, I'm Kevin Walker, and we may have met previously on some of our sellout street photography walks. Campkins, Cambridge and myself have got together to elevate this and do some street photography workshops, where not only can we go out, find places to do street photography, but we can then go through your shots, elevate your photography to that next level. So what we're going to do is get together, do some street photography, add a bit of competition, because everybody loves a bit of competition, and we're going to also give you an opportunity to print some of those fantastic shots that you take on the day. I hope to see you soon and get together on this sellout street photography workshop. See you soon. Let's get out I love Cambridge. It's so great for street photography because you've got so many little areas that you can go to, so many little nooks and crannies. And really what the essence is kind of coming here and looking in the areas that maybe people don't go to. It's fantastic because when we look here, we've got King's Parade in the background, so everyone knows where you're at. However, it's about finding these little spots. So let's go and explore and find out where we can go and shoot some great Cambridge street photography. Come on, guys. Could only happen in Cambridge, right? We've got two crazy high bikes, and this is why you need to kind of go off the piste, go beyond where people are looking. At the end of the day, what we need to do is find those areas where there aren't just everyone taking photos. If everyone's taking a photo, we'll turn around and take a photo the opposite way. That's the shot that nobody gets. So let's go out and grab some more. Okay, these are every photographer's best friend. Everyone hates a stinky bin, and they stink. Okay, the beauty is no one wants to crouch down next to it. Whenever I'm out in Cambridge or any kind of like big city and there's some stinky bins, I always have a little crouch down next to it and have a look at some sort of street photography possibilities that we can have. We've got some great architecture here, and we're going to use that to grab another shot. Okay, so you may have noticed today, not only are we out and about, we've got really changeable weather. So we've got puddles on the ground, we've got sun coming through the clouds, and the real good thing with that is we'll get shadow, we'll get contrast. So when you're out and about, changeable weather seems like an absolute nightmare, but if it gets really wet and really rainy, you can even pop your umbrella up, take shots from underneath your umbrella. Other than that, grab a sandwich and a bit of lunch. Let's go and do that now. Okay, so you can always use kind of like anything that's out on the streets. This brilliant bit of architecture that's here, you know, you can frame and everything else. So just shoot through things, but don't get the whole thing. Use it to frame your shots, and that will give you that pop-out thing, because everyone shoots from a distance. Get really up close and personal with these things, and I think you'll really surprise yourself with how you can use this to capture that moment. When you're in a market or anything else, or any kind of environment, what you want to look for is all those little nooks and crannies, those little bits that people don't notice and people that walk past. So, you know, I found this, and I'm going to see what I can capture just here. So even, you know, when you think you've found everything, you'll come across little areas like this at the back of Marks and Spencer's in Cambridge, and you'll find amazing little bits, whether you want to do a shoot, street photography or whatever else. But come along for the walk and we'll find out all of these little places together and do some fantastic things. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks, bye-bye.